Isn't it amazing how I've only been singing about being in a whole new world and dreaming of a far-off place? And now finally living in this very situation I once considered as mere part of the lyrics of a song. I am Sandy, a stubborn dreamer, and I love to volunteer. My life in the Philippines was so full. I had a loving and supportive family, I had friends, I had a job for 10 years. It wasn't easy at the beginning, but then persistence and determination led me to build a lasting relationship with the people I worked with. I spent time with so many people, went on trips, laughed, and cried hard. I also worked as a freelance tour guide. I grabbed every opportunity to gain more experience and connections. I considered my job my home away from home. I met colleagues and clients who turned into being my friends for keeps. Oh, the joy of traveling. It opens your mind to a whole new perspective other than your own. I had a really good time living my life. Until the pandemic hit, and I began thinking deeper about my decisions in life. I've been wanting to further my studies abroad, so I thought of Canada, to also meet my best friend and her family again after years. It went by so fast that it only took a month for my student visa to be approved. It was indeed a bittersweet decision.
In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
The hardest part was saying goodbye to my family and my dog, Prima. I flew from Jensan, my hometown, to Manila, where I spent some time with my close friends. I also spent some time with my older brother before flying to Hong Kong. I stayed at the airport for 10 hours before my flight to Vancouver. My best friend and her family picked me up at the airport, and I spent a few days in Maple Ridge before heading to Prince George.
Hi guys, welcome to Hill. Is it cold?
Who's here, Riley?
I'm here.
Me.
Time to discover British Columbia. We drove a long way to visit Revelstoke, Banff, Jasper, and Mount Robson, to name a few. We enjoyed our stopover and picnic too. What a refreshing encounter with nature.
1 hour left before Prince George.
And we're finally in Prince George.
Welcome to freedom.
Got my sim at the mall and went to the Memorial Park. And here's my first look of my school.
That's the one. We're here. My home for Hi guys.
And yep, that's my new home in Prince George. I can't wait to meet my host family. That night, I attended the welcome party of the Filipino community. Unpacking my stuff as if unpacking another version of myself in this new country. I chose CNC because I was interested in the program of tourism and hotel management, and it's also a relatively cheaper school compared to others. Since I arrived, I became mindful of the weather. In the Philippines, it didn't matter that much because the climate was always warm. Now off to my first day in school, orientation week.
Free lunch, free barbecue. Then I'll continue doing the stickers.
So thrilled to meet my amazing batchmates.
One, make sure you see yourself.
See? That's why we call ourselves a star batch.
No, doesn't have to do
First day of school done.
As a student, I get free bus rides by showing my CNC ID. I wanted to surprise my host family by commuting home for the first time, but...
To the rescue from the bus station, going home.
Google Map confused me a bit there. Of course, I had to do my laundry. In the Philippines, after spin drying our clothes, we dry them under the scorching heat of the sun. It doesn't work that way here, but living in a four-season country is equally interesting. Now back to CNC and my newfound friends.
Looking for a classroom. Speaking situations
Before.
Do you want to make it at the end? Janina brought some sushi today. Gracias, Janina. You're welcome.
Going to church is also a part of my life here in Prince George. I am so blessed to have a Christian community here, and I'm glad to be a part of God's work even away from my home country. It's been months, and I found a side hustle at Tim Hortons. Never worked in that industry, but I was interested to learn about it. I had to wake up early in the morning to go to work. I experienced some ups and downs. I missed home, my family, friends, my dog, everything that I had before flying here. But all I could do was wipe away my tears, pray, and just show up refreshed the next day.
Source ideas, share presentations, and get things done.
My batchmates inspire me to keep pushing every day and just enjoy being a student again.
It's 5 p.m.
Going to work today. It's 7 a.m. of Friday. I get up early to catch my bus, otherwise I'd have to wait for another half an hour for the next one. I usually work in the morning, then go straight to school afterwards.
So yan ang buhay namin dito. Hello, Canada! Pa-out na kami kasi marami pa kaming requirements sa school.
Back to CNC, my happy place.
20-minute break. Heating my food. Vaughn is going to get his coffee as usual.
Don't we just love free food?
Free taste. Bought some thermal clothing.
Brand new day, same routine. Soprano Beverly Sills once said, "There are no shortcuts to any place worth going." So I press on to reach my goals.
Airline industry is attracting you like a salmon.
Follow your dreams, they know the way.
Bye!
Persévérance, secret de tous les triomphes.